Hi guys, I wanted to do the unboxing of a GoPro that I just got, and I'm so excited because I don't have enough storage in my phone. It would be ideal to just use my phone for vlogging, especially like all around the property, because I have my phone on me all the time, but unfortunately I ran out of space. So I bought a GoPro because it's very small, and I do have a vlogging camera, a Canon 258, M250 I think, but it's just bulky, and you know, carrying around the property would be challenging. So yay, I'm so excited. Let me unbox it with you guys. Guys, this is the packages I got right now, so we're gonna open them. This is actually very dirty because I got it last night, but I'm gonna open it in front of you guys. Babies are sleeping. I can actually do this right now because earlier I tried to do it, but he was crying a lot because he was tired. And life sometimes with babies is very unpredictable and you can't plan anything out, and it's very frustrating. And some days I think, like, what did I get myself into? Having two babies so close in age, right? Like it's just crazy most days, and I feel overwhelmed and tired, and I don't get much of a break other than when they're napping. So we're gonna do this quickly so that I can go rest because I'm tired. But what helps me is just knowing that this won't be forever, and also feeling, you know, the love that I feel for them, I guess, helps me to keep going. Okay, so we're gonna unbox the GoPro, which I'm so excited for, because I'm just excited to do something great with it. I know it's gonna help me to do amazing videos. So, the GoPro. 12 Black, GoPro 12 Black. So I actually was looking on Facebook Marketplace to see, you know, if I could get a cheaper version of this, and unfortunately it was just gonna be about similar price as a brand new one. So I just decided I'm just gonna get a brand new one, and that's it, you know. Like, why should I oops, okay, I have to pay attention. Okay, so we're gonna do this with one hand because it's so hard. Oopsie daisy. Your camera must be updated before you can use it. Install the GoPro Quick app on your phone. Make sure you have internet access, blah 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 blah. Okay. Alright, subscribe to get the most out of your GoPro. This is it, guys. Okay, so at first glance, it's pretty lightweight, but it's about similar weight as your phone, I would say. And it comes with a few gadgets like a charger and camera. I'm sorry, not camera, battery. What is it? Camera. And then the mounting things. He's so cute. We have a bunch of ants here, and my husband said if we put ash on it, they should disappear, but they're still here. There's way less, though, for sure. There's way less. So we gotta do something else about it. Do you like it? Yes. Oops. Woohoo! You like it? Yeah.
Known for creating memories. No one wants to be known.
Mm. Thanks, baby.